Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we have here the Redmi Watch 5 Active, the latest smartwatch from Redmi, and of course, it is also one of the few active series smartwatch. I think the last one is the Redmi Watch 3 Active. So there's no active on the Watch 4. And here comes the Redmi Watch 5 Active. And on this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of the Redmi Watch 5 Active. We are going to explore its design as well as its specs and the UI. So if you are interested to get the Redmi Watch 5 Active, watch this video first so you can decide whether this wearable is for you or not. Again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's begin and explore the Redmi Watch 5 Active. So we have here the packaging. We do have some specs here. 2.2 inch LCD large display with a 320 by 385 pixel resolution, dual mic, noise reduction, Bluetooth calling, with 18 days of battery life, 24-hour heart rate monitoring, all-day SpO2 and stress monitoring. We do have a comprehensive list of sports function, at least 140 plus workout modes, 200 plus watch faces for personalization, and its waterproof rating, it is 5 ATM. Here at the back, let's see if there are some details. Okay, none. Only the model number. Okay, so let's start. Let's remove the plastic here, the sticker. So the Redmi Watch 5 Active is now available in different shopping sites. So we have here the charging cable. I think it is still USB. So let's check. We have the user manual of the Redmi Watch 5 Active. We have here the charging cable. Almost the same with our Xiaomi. I think it is just the same. The Xiaomi Smart Band 9. USB Type A. And we have here the Watch 5 Active. So let's check. The strap is already attached to the smartwatch. Okay, it is a bit thick based on the looks here. We have metal middle frame, PC back cover, Redmi. Do we have here the sensor? We have the branding name here, power connector, speaker, the mic. We have a single button here, and let's have a closer look. It is a bit thick, I think. If you're taking a look at it closely. Okay, let's remove this. Xiaomi Communications Corporation. Flat screen. It's a bit big, I think. You have the quick release pin for its strap. It looks sporty. I think it looks nice. Just thick, I think, compared to other wearables. You do have here the usual thickness of the smartwatch, and as you can see here, this one, it is much bigger and thicker. Let's check on the weight here. Let's see if it's around 50 grams or more than 50 grams. Oh, okay, we haven't charged it. Anyways, let's have a closer look at the design here. single button here. Again, for the specs, 2.0 inch LCD. Okay, and the battery, we don't have the details, but 580 mAh waterproof. We don't have any details for the battery. Bluetooth 5.3, as you can see here. We don't have a battery capacity here. But anyways, for the specifications of the wearable, okay, check it here. Let's check on the basic UI of the smartwatch. Let's turn it on and let's see if there's some battery left. Yes, Xiaomi Hyper OS, the same with the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. I'll pick English. Scan to download the app. Okay, so to be able to use this wearable, I think we really have to scan it and pair it with the device. Okay, wait. Okay, so we already paired it with a support app, so we can check on the UI of this wearable. But before that, let's check on the weight of this smartwatch. Let's see if it's more than 50 grams. Because of the size here, as you can see, it's a bit big and thick. Let's see if it's more than 50 grams. Wow, as you can see here, we only have 44 grams. Although the size is a bit big compared to other wearable, the weight is okay, less than 50 grams. That is an ideal weight for wearables. And now, let's check on the UI of the smartwatch. So on top, we have the notifications. On the bottom part, we have the settings here, shortcut to other important features or settings of the smartwatch. On the left side, we have the different cards. On the right side, the same functionality here. Okay, to access the main menu, press the power button, and we do have here a grid menu. Okay, so that's the UI of the smartwatch. And as you can see here, seems like the bezel, the black border is a bit thick. Okay, you can see it here because of the black background of the watch face. But if you press here, as you can see, it's a bit thick compared to other wearable. I think it's okay, but if you compare it with other Redmi Watch smartwatches, I think this one is, although it is Watch 5 active, I think the previous smartwatch is much better compared to this one when it comes to looks, especially the Redmi Watch 3 active. I think I like the looks, the design of the Watch 3 active compared to this one. But anyways, we have it here, and this is the latest. Let's explore more about its offered features on our next video. So if you have any questions regarding the Redmi Watch 5 active, if you are interested to get one, check out the links below. And of course, subscribe, like on our YouTube channel. Bye!